Good morning, everyone. Vivian here. The view you have here is of my entrance to the forest, and today is a gray, rainy day after some really quite intense heat we had. And so this is a really, really refreshing time, and you can see everything's so lush. And when I got up this morning, there was still fog in the tops of these trees, and this incredible scent in the air. It's now changed, but it's still very lovely. So I'm going to take you on a little walk with me. It's been a long time since I've been in here, and while it looks dark, I think it's going to be pretty magical. And so I invite you to do this in a place where you are. Even if you can't go into the woods, maybe there's a little park or you have a little garden where you can just be for a few minutes. Just take in the sights around you, especially if it's summer where you are. Things like these ferns, patterns of the leaves, the sounds of the birds. For me, the sounds of the raindrops still dripping down from the trees. And knowing that this is the weather in which the substances emitted especially by these needly trees, the conifers, are really good for us. So allowing us to just breathe in deeply the beautiful nourishment that the trees are gifting us, and the plants, the other plants. So I invite you to do that if you can. And even if you can't go outside, maybe just open the window. Imagine you're breathing that in. So here we go.